Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a captivating field that explores the creation of machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think of it as building smart computers that can learn, solve problems, and even make decisions. However, there is a more ambitious goal within the realm of AI, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI aims to create machines that possess the same broad cognitive abilities as humans. Imagine an AI system that can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This intriguing concept pushes the boundaries of computer science and raises profound questions about the nature of intelligence itself. In this essay, we will delve into the fascinating world of AI and AGI, exploring their differences, capabilities, and the potential impact they hold for the future. Artificial intelligence, in its current form, is often referred to as narrow or weak AI. This is because existing AI systems excel at specific tasks or domains, but they lack the general intelligence of humans. One area where narrow AI shines is image recognition. AI algorithms can now identify objects, faces, and even emotions in images with remarkable accuracy. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another domain where AI has made significant strides. NLP enables machines to understand and process human language, allowing us to interact with computers using our natural speech or text. This technology powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, making our lives easier and more efficient. AI excels at problem-solving and decision-making within defined parameters. For instance, AI algorithms are employed in chess engines that can defeat even the most skilled human players. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make strategic decisions to achieve a desired outcome. The applications of AI are rapidly expanding, touching upon various aspects of our lives. One prominent example is personalized recommendations. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze our viewing and listening habits, suggesting movies, TV shows, and music tailored to our preferences. The automotive industry is undergoing a revolution with the advent of self-driving cars powered by AI. These vehicles use sensors, cameras, and sophisticated algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and transport passengers safely and efficiently. AI is also transforming healthcare, enabling earlier and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and the development of new drugs and therapies. From optimizing logistics and supply chains to enhancing customer service through chatbots, AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. As AI technology continues to advance, we can anticipate even more innovative applications that will further shape our world. While narrow AI has made remarkable progress, the ultimate goal for many researchers is to achieve artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to a type of AI that possesses the same cognitive abilities as a human being, capable of understanding, learning, and performing any intellectual task that a human can. Imagine an AI system that can not only recognize objects, but also understand their purpose, relationships, and the context in which they exist. AGI would go beyond simply processing information. It would possess true comprehension, reasoning, and problem-solving abilities on par with humans. The development of AGI is a monumental challenge, requiring a deep understanding of the human brain and the ability to replicate its complex functions in artificial systems. However, the potential benefits of AGI are vast, ranging from solving some of the world's most pressing problems to unlocking new frontiers in science and technology. Section 5. AI versus AGI. Key distinctions on the spectrum of intelligence. The distinction between AI and AGI lies in their scope and capabilities. AI, as it exists today, is narrow or task-specific. It excels at performing well-defined tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing faces, but it lacks the general intelligence to understand the world in a broader sense. AGI, on the other hand, represents a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence. It aims to create machines that possess the same general cognitive abilities as humans, enabling them to learn, adapt, and solve problems across a wide range of domains. Another key difference lies in their learning methods. Current AI systems rely heavily on large data sets and supervised learning, where they are trained on labeled examples to recognize patterns and make predictions. AGI, however, would require more sophisticated learning mechanisms such as unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning that allow machines to learn from experience and adapt to new situations without explicit programming. Section 6. The Hurdles to AGI. Unraveling the mysteries of the human mind. Achieving AGI is a daunting task fraught with significant challenges. One of the primary hurdles is our limited understanding of the human brain. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ with billions of neurons interconnected in intricate ways that we are only beginning to unravel. Replicating such complexity in artificial systems requires breakthroughs in neuroscience, computer science, and materials science. We need to develop new algorithms, architectures, and hardware that can mimic the brain's ability to process information, learn from experience, and generate creative solutions. Another challenge is the sheer computational power required for AGI. The human brain operates with an estimated 100 trillion synapses, making it a massively parallel and efficient computing machine. Developing artificial systems with comparable computational capabilities will require significant advancements in hardware and software design. Section 7. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the societal impact of advanced AI. As AI and AGI continue to advance, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, they may automate tasks currently performed by humans, leading to job losses in certain sectors. Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, the AI system may perpetuate or even amplify those biases. It is essential to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a fair and unbiased manner. The development of AGI raises even more profound ethical questions. If we succeed in creating machines with human-level intelligence, what rights and responsibilities do we owe to these creations? How do we ensure that AGI is aligned with human values and does not pose an existential threat to humanity? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and open dialogue. Section 8. The Future Landscape. Potential and Perils of AI and AGI. The future of AI and AGI is filled with both promise and uncertainty. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, solve global challenges, and enhance our lives in unprecedented ways. Imagine a world where AI assists in medical diagnoses, develops sustainable energy solutions, and personalizes education for every student. However, the development of AGI also presents potential risks. If not properly aligned with human values, AGI could pose an existential threat to humanity. It is crucial that we approach AGI development with caution, ensuring that these systems are aligned with our goals and values, and that we have safeguards in place to mitigate potential risks. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to reshape our world. From narrow AI systems that excel at specific tasks to the ambitious goal of AGI, intelligent machines are poised to play an increasingly significant role in our lives. As we continue to unlock the secrets of intelligence and develop ever more sophisticated AI systems, it is essential that we proceed with both enthusiasm and caution. By embracing a future where humans and AI collaborate, we can harness the transformative power of these technologies to address global challenges advance human knowledge, and create a more equitable and sustainable world for all.